Last day we had seen second primary functions of banks and types of loans and advances. Then the first four agency services of a banks. Okay. So let me ask some questions. Types of loans and advances. Types of loans and advances. Aparna, types of loans and advances.
Sir, loan,
Loan,
overdraft, cash credit, discounting of bills of exchange.
discounting of a bill of exchange. So what do you mean by overdraft? What do you mean by overdraft? Anil Sibi, what do you mean by overdraft? Overdraft.
We can take more money from the loan.
Yes. We can withdraw more money than we have. Okay, that is overdraft. So this facility is given only to which account holder? Karthik, which account holder we are giving? Current account, saving account, fixed deposit. Which account holder we are giving this facility? Overdraft facility. It is given only to which account holder?
Say current account.
Yes, current account holder. So next, what do you mean by cash credit? What do you mean by cash credit? Hanna, what do you mean by cash credit?
This type of loan is granted to the borrower against the current assets.
Okay, correct. It is a type of loan granted to borrower against his current assets. What do you mean by discounting of bill of exchange? Discounting of bill of exchange. Anat, what do you mean by discounting of bill of exchange?
Sir, the holder can discount the amount before maturity.
Correct. The encashing the bill before the date of maturity, because we sold goods on credit to debtor. So the credit period is after 4 months or 5 months. But now we want emergency cash. What we will do? We will give that written document to the bill of exchange to our bank. Then we will get the amount before the date of maturity. But they will deduct some amount as discount. Okay. After deducting only, we will get the amount. Then at the time of maturity, they will collect the amount from the debtors. Okay. So next I said some of the secondary function. I said secondary functions include agency services and general utility services. Agency services, we said bank performs a lot of functions on behalf of the customer. Means it acts as an agent of the customer. So we said that the three functions. What are the three agency services? What are the three agency services? Atul?
Collection of credit instruments.
Collection of credit instruments.
Collection of dividends.
Collection of dividends.
Acts as trustee or executor.
Okay, act as a trustee or executor. So three we said collection of credit instruments means they are collecting our check. If you got a check from our customer, so we want to collect the amount from the customer account. So they will collect our bill of exchange. So next, collection of dividend. Suppose if we invest any amount in the share, so in return we will get dividend. That amount who will collect? Bank will collect as an agent. Act as a trustee or executor. We said they will act as a trustee or attorney for the customer's will and execute them after death. Next, already I said execution of standing order also. I said no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So standing order means we can give instruction to the bank to pay electricity bill, to pay water bill, to pay rent, anything, to pay insurance bill, then they will pay our electricity bill, water bill, insurance, everything. That is a small amount is charged from the customer for doing this service. That is standing order. Okay, then we have no need to worry about that payment. They will do. Okay, they will take amount from our account. Then they will debit our account. So next one, purchase and sale of security. Next to our agency service are purchase and sale of securities. Means as per the instruction of the customer, as per the instruction of the customer, the bank will buy and sell the shares. Shares, that is purchase and sell the shares. Okay, they will purchase the shares, debentures and government securities. They will purchase the shares of a company. Otherwise, they will purchase debenture. They will purchase the government security on our instruction. According to our instruction, if suppose if you want to purchase a share from a one company, so who will purchase on behalf of us? The bank will purchase. That is also a agency services. If you have a share of one particular company, if you want to sell, so who will do that? Also, who will do as an agent? They will do the function purchase and sale of securities. Okay, next one is acting as representative or correspondent. Acting as representative or correspondent. They act as a representative because through the bank we will get passport, travel tickets, plots. We can book vehicles through bank. As a representative, they will do that function. As a correspondent means they will receive the letters on behalf of the customer. Okay, if you want to get any letter from other bank, from other institution, through bank, they will receive. The bank will receive the letters on behalf of the, if for example, from exporters, if you want any letters, they will receive the letters on behalf of the customer. That's why acting as a representative. Through as a representative, we will get, the customer will get, if you want to book a ticket, traveler's ticket, book vehicles, plots, anything through bank. So that is a agency services, acting as a representative or correspondent. Next, remittance of fund. Remittance of fund means they help in the transfer of fund from one place to another. So if I want to transfer amount from Kerala to Maharashtra, so I can through a bank. Okay, so that is remittance of fund. It helps in the transfer of fund from one place to another, from one account to another account, from Federal Bank to SBI Bank. Okay, from Catholic Service Bank to any other HDFC. Through we can remittance of fund. They help in the remittance of fund from one place to another. Next one is deals foreign exchange. Deals foreign exchange means they buy and sell foreign money on behalf of their customer. They buy and sell foreign currency. For what purpose we want foreign currency? For import of goods from other country and export of goods to other country. We want foreign money. For that purpose, they will buy and sell the foreign currencies. Okay, that is deals foreign exchange. They will buy and sell the foreign currencies on behalf of the customer. Next, they act as an agent of the government, local authority. They act as an agent of the government or local authority. How they will act as an agent of government and local authority? Because they bank opened account on behalf of the government or on behalf of local authority. Then they will do the transaction. The bank will do the transaction on behalf of government and local authority. That's why they act as an agent of the government or local authority. Okay, they will open the bank account on behalf of the government and local authority. Each government organization, they have account in the bank. They will do the transaction on behalf of the government. That is, they act as an agent of the government and the local authority. So these are the agency services. Okay, collection of credit instruments, They will collect our check. If, suppose if we got any check from our customer, they will collect amount from the customer amount. Then collection of dividend. Suppose if we invested any company share, then they will, in return, we have to get something. Who will collect the dividend? If we give instruction to the bank, they will collect our dividend. Next, act as a trustee or executor. Suppose if you want to give our property to the bank, then every matter they will do. Bank will do that. They will administer the property. So they will act as a trustee or attorney for the customer's will and execute them after death. Okay. Next, execution of standing order. The bank execute the standing order of their customers. Means if you want to pay electricity bill, water bill, insurance bill regularly, we have to give one-time instruction to the bank. Then they will do. Then we have no need to worry about that payment of such bills. Next, purchase and sale of security. Suppose if the customer want to purchase any company share, if the customer want to sell any share through bank, they will do the functions. They will charge some amount. Next, acting as a representative. Act as a representative means as a representative we can book travel tickets, plots, vehicles, everything will get through as a representative they will do. Then act as a correspondent means they will receive the letters on behalf of the customer. Next, remittance of fund. They help in the transfer of fund from one place to another. Next, deals foreign exchange. Deals foreign exchange means they will buy and sell foreign currencies on behalf of the customer. Then they act as the agent of the government because they open the bank account on behalf of the government and local authority. Okay, then they will do the transaction on behalf of the government. Next one is general utility services. Means in addition to the agency services, the bank performs some other services which are useful to the community. Same like agency services. Some other facilities also they are providing to the customers. What are they? First one, safe custody of valuables. Safe custody of valuables. Safe custody of valuables means a commercial bank, banks accept documents, precious metals, valuables, securities, share certificates, documents and precious metal for safe custody. So bank act as a custodian of the valuables of the customer. That is safe custody of valuables. They will accept gold, jewelry, document, share certificate, any insurance certificate, everything, any important document, they will accept for safe custody. They will charge some nominal amount. Okay, so the bank acts as the custodian of the valuables of the customer. Custodian of the valuables of the customer. Next, same like safe custody, locker facility. So commercial banks are generally equipped with specially constructed strong rooms. Okay, containing a large number of private steel safe of various sizes. So a person can hire a locker to keep his valuables. Okay, we can hire a locker to keep our gold, to keep our documents. For that purpose, they will charge a nominal amount from the customer. That is locker facility. Every bank have locker facility. Okay, specially constructed storeroom. It is safe. So we will get insurance protection. If it is lost, then also we will get insurance protection. Okay, so that is locker facility they are providing. Next, letter of credit. Letter of credit. Letter of credit means on the request of the importer, the bank issues letter of credit in favor of the exporter. So you didn't understand that. What do you mean by letter of credit? Letter of credit means suppose if we are a firm, so if we want to import any goods from the foreign country, from other country, so suppose if we have no position to pay the amount immediately, so what we will do? What we will do means we will request our bank, so our bank to give guarantee for us. Then they will guarantee to the exporter that if we are not giving the amount to exporter, that amount who will give? Bank will give. That is letter of credit. Understand? Here guarantee is given by the importer's bank. Our bank is giving guarantee to the exporter. If the importers are not giving the amount on time, the bank will give the amount. That is letter of credit. Okay? On the request of the importer only, giving guarantee to the exporter about the credit worthiness of the importer. Okay? That is letter of credit. So next one, already we said it is also giving to the society fund transfer. So we can easily transfer fund from one place to another, from one account to another. We can. It is a service to the community. So if I want to transfer amount from SBI to Catholic Syrian Bank, I can. Through bank we can transfer. So any bank, any branch, then anywhere we can transfer. One place to another. Okay, so for that purpose, some other instruments they are issuing. The bank issues bank draft. They are issuing draft. They are issuing. Through that way, we can transfer the amount from one place to another. Then traveler's check. Okay, these are the instruments they are using. Draft, traveler's check for transferring fund from one place to another. Okay, so that is fund transfer. Next one. Provides information means bank collects and supply information about merchants and business concerns at distant places. Suppose if we want information about a particular company, a nearby company, so if they have account in our bank, they will give information about that institution. Suppose if we want information, any business organization, if they have the information, they will supply, because it is a service to the customer. General utility service they are providing. Okay, they will collect, they will supply, they will collect and supply the information about any business organization to us, to the customers. Okay, that is provides information. Then they act as referees. They act as referees. They act as referees means they may act as a referee with respect to financial standing, reputation, and respectability of the customer. They will act as a referee. Reference. Suppose if we want to purchase, some goods on credit from a supplier, from any company, we want to purchase on credit, not for cash. So what they will do, they will ask our bank. Then they will ask to the bank about our credit worthiness, whether we have the capacity to repay the liabilities in time. So then they will act as a referee about our financial standing, our reputation, okay, our credit worthiness. They will act as a referee, okay, as a reference. They will ask to the bank. Then they will provide information about our financial standing, credit worthiness. That is, act as referees. Next one, underwrites shares. Underwrites shares. Underwrites shares. Underwrites shares means they may underwrite the shares of government, public bodies, and corporations. Means government organization, they want capital, they want fund. They want fund. For that purpose, they will issue shares to the public. They will issue shares to the public. So if the publics are not purchasing any shares from the government, what they will do, government, they will give that work to the other agency, to the bank they will give. So the bank will issue the shares to the public. Okay, the government can do their work, the main work. They no need to worry about issue of shares. Who will do the issue of shares? The bank will do. For that purpose, they will charge underwriting commission. Any doubt? Means instead of issuing shares by the government, who will issue on behalf of government? The bank will issue the shares to the public. Okay, then they will collect the money, then they will give it to government. So they will get underwriting commission. Any doubt related with the underwriting? Anjo, any doubts? Anjo, any doubts? Okay. Next, issue of gift check. Issue of gift check. So some banks issue gift check of various denomination to customers. Suppose if any birthday party is there, if any celebration is there, instead of giving gift, you can give gift check. So they will get a cash. Okay. So it is a good technique. So if anyone birthday is there, so you can give gift check. The bank is issuing the gift check to the customers. Okay, that is a good thing. Next, foreign exchange. So already said, same only, to facilitate foreign trade. To facilitate foreign trade, the bank buy and sell foreign currencies. Same like agency service. It is also to the community we are giving. To facilitate foreign trade, the bank purchase and sell foreign currencies. That is foreign exchange. Okay, to facilitate foreign trade. Next, credit cards. Credit cards. So then some of the banks issues credit cards to its customers. For what purpose they are issuing? So they are issuing credit cards to purchase goods on credit basis. So if we have a credit card, if for example, they are giving only to the reputed persons. They are giving only to the good standing persons only. Because it is a risk is there, one risk is there. So with the help of credit card, we can purchase goods on credit basis. So some of the banks, they didn't issue credit card. In early, the federal bank, in early, they didn't issue credit card because it will be a risk. Because if example, if they are not repaying the amounts, it will create a problem. So majority of the banks are issuing credit cards to its customer. Through that, we can purchase goods on credit basis. So next one, traveler's check. So bank issues traveler's check to customers so that the travelers can travel without the fear of loss of theft of money, without the fear of loss of theft of money. So if we want to go abroad, so bank issues traveler's checks. So we have no need to carry the cash. So through that way, we can travel anywhere, okay, without the fear of loss of theft of money. Okay, so if we have cash, there will be a loss of theft, robbery, something will be there. So that also another service they are providing, traveler's check. Okay, next, last one is collection of statistics. Means bank collect lot of information about related with industry, trade, commerce, money, banking. Then they also publish the journal. They publish the journal and bulletin in relation with the financial and banking matters. Okay, financial and banking matters. That is also they are doing. Which one? Banks are doing collection of statistics. They are issuing the bulletins, journals, magazines. They are issuing. Banks also issuing. So like doctors, they are also issuing, banks also issuing some magazines, some bulletins related with the money, banking, financial matter, industry matter, business matter, share matter, everything they will discuss through that magazine. That is a collection of statistics. Okay, so these are the general utility services. First one, safe custody of valuables. Banks issues. Everyone has to mute the microphone. Okay, so the safe custody of valuables. A commercial bank accepts valuables, documents, gold, jewelry for safe custody. So bank acts as a custodian of the valuables of the customer. Next, locker facility. Locker facility, commercial banks are generally equipped with a specially constructed room. So a person can hire a locker to keep his valuables. Next, a letter of credit. On the request of the importer, the bank issues letter of credit in favor of exporter. Next, fund transfer. To facilitate the transfer of fund from one place to another, from one account to another, they are issuing some of the instrument, draft, traveler's check, through net we can transfer. Next, provides information. The bank will collect and supply the information about various business organization, about the merchants to the customers. Then act as a referee. They will act as a reference for our financial standing, creditworthiness. Next, underwrites shares. They will underwrite the shares of the government organization. So for that, they will charge commission. That is known as underwriting commission. Next, issue of gift check. Issue of gift check. So some of the banks issues gift check of various denomination to the customers. Next, foreign exchange to facilitate foreign trade. The bank buy and sell foreign currencies. Next, credit cards. That credit card means some of the banks issues, majority of the banks issues credit card to the customer. With the help of credit card, that we can purchase goods on credit basis. So debit card means we know that that is our ATM card. With that we can purchase. So we have, if we have cash, we can purchase the goods. Next term, credit card means we can, through credit card we can purchase the goods for credit basis. Next, traveler's check. The banks issues traveler's check, so the travelers can travel without the fear of loss of money. Next, collection of statistics. They are publishing lot of journals, bulletins in relation to financial and banking matters. Next, we will discuss about the banking systems in India, types of banks. Okay, so first one is that, main one is that these are the banking system. First, Reserve Bank. Reserve Bank of India. First, Reserve Bank of India. Next, under Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India. Under that, commercial banks, okay, commercial banks, cooperative banks, under that commercial banks, next, commercial bank, regional rural bank, regional rural bank, under that cooperative bank, then payments bank, payments bank, payment banks. Then one more is there, small finance bank. So one more is there, small finance bank. Small, one more is there, small finance bank. These are the banking system in India. So first Reserve Bank, under that commercial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative bank, payment banks. Okay, under commercial banks, again, public sector bank, then private sector bank, then foreign bank. So under cooperative bank, state cooperative bank, under cooperative bank, under that you have to study state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, and primary credit society. Okay, these are the types. So first Reserve Bank we will study in detail next class. So you have to think first Reserve Bank, main Reserve Bank, apex authority. Under that commercial bank, three type: public sector, private sector, foreign bank. Next regional rural bank, next cooperative bank, under that state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, primary credit society, then payment bank, then small finance bank. These are the banking system in India. So we will study in detail. Okay, so today's class is over. So any doubt related with any agency services and general utility services? So if you study the heading, that will be enough. Okay, so if you study the heading, then you can easily explain the services. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so today's class is over. So thank you all. Have a nice day.